In this editorial, we will discuss the political situation in Tunisia. So recently, what happened in Tunisia? President Kais Saied suspended parliament as well as he dismissed the Prime Minister of Tunisia. And why he did so? He did so in response to public anger. Public is angry in Tunisia. Why? Because public believe that Tunisia couldn't handle the coronavirus properly. Crisis in Tunis. Tunis is a short word for Tunisia. Crisis means a problem. Parliament suspension. So the parliament of Tunisia has been suspended, and this suspension seems, it appears, this suspension of parliament is an attempt to take the control of power, a power grab. Grab means to take the hold of something. Power grab means to take power in your control. So this action has been done by the president of Tunisia, and this action seems that president of Tunisia wants to take the control of power. Not a response to public anger. It is not a response to public anger. Tunisian President Kais Saied's decision. So what is the decision? To sack means to dismiss the Prime Minister and suspend Parliament, and Parliament has been dissolved. It has been suspended amid between widespread anti-government protests. So I already told you that widespread anti-government protests are being carried on, has triggered. So this decision triggered means to start something. Triggered the worst is, you can say that, the superlative form of bad, means very bad political crisis in the country. So this decision is the cause that now the Tunisia is in a great trouble since the Arab Spring protest. So previously we saw Arab Spring protest, and after the Arab Spring protest, it is the second time we see such type of crisis in Tunisia. Among the countries affected by the Arab street protest. So when Arab street protest happened, so many countries got affected by this protest, and Tunisia was the only one that managed to successfully transition. Transition means, you can say that, a change from dictatorship to parliamentary democracy. So previously there was, you can say that, dictatorship. Dictatorship means, you can say that, authoritarianism. If someone is authority, like Hitler, it is called dictatorship. So the rule of Hitler, you can say it is dictatorship, to parliamentary democracy. So during the Arab street protest, Tunisia somehow managed that we saw a change in Tunisia. And what was that change? The change was that Tunisia changed its system from dictatorship to democracy, and democracy was established in Tunisia. But the North African countries elected rulers, North African country here, Tunisia, elected rulers never managed to ease. Ease means to give relaxation, to comfort something. Ease its economic voice. Voice means troubles. So there are a lot of economic troubles in Tunisia, and these economic troubles were not managed by the elected rulers of Tunisia or offer stable governance. Neither these rulers provided stable governance. You can say that, stable governance. Tunisia has had 9 governments since 2011. Since 2011, we have seen there have been 11 governments in Tunisia. With its crisis hit economy being battered, battered means, you can say that, destroyed, being battered further means in addition to, by the COVID-19 outbreak. Outbreak means when something spreads rapidly when something spreads rapidly. It is called outbreak. Something spreads rapidly and suddenly, with its crisis hit economy being battered further by the COVID-19 outbreak. So Tunisia was already in a condition which was not economically good. So you can say that the economy of Tunisia was in a bad condition, and this bad condition of economy became worse due to COVID-19 outbreak. Last year, what did we see? Its GDP contracted. Contracted means you can say that a reduction in something. Contracted by 8.8% in real terms. So last year we saw the GDP shrank by 8.8%. The trigger now is the government's poor handling of the pandemic, and now the protest is being done. Now the people are protesting, and what is the main cause? What is the starting point? What is the trigger? Now with the government's poor handle, the government of Tunisia couldn't handle pandemic, couldn't handle the coronavirus properly. Pandemic means a widespread disease. The country of 11.8 million has recorded nearly 18,000 COVID related deaths so far, means till now. So till now, this is the record, or this is the data of Tunisia, that out of 11.8 million people, 18,000 deaths have occurred. One of the highest per capita death. Per capita death means, you can say that per capita death means the ratio of death with respect to population rates in the world. So Tunisia is among one of the highest per capita death rates in the world. Only 7% of the population are fully vaccinated. Only 7% of the population are fully vaccinated. Last week, the government's move to speed up vaccination. So last week the government tried to speed up vaccination, है ना? To speed up vaccination by opening it. So last week the government took the decision and opened vaccination program for all above 18 years, है ना? For all above 18 years. And what was the result? Ended it means the result was in stampede and violent incident. Stampede means when a lot of people run in different directions, है ना? When a lot of people run in different direction, है ना? When they are confused, you can say that when people are confused and running here and there, and it becomes an violent event. It is called stampede and violent incidents. So when the government opened vaccination for all above 18 years, the result was stampede. The result was violent incidents. Prime Minister Hichem Mechichi sacked means to dismiss the health minister. So the Prime Minister of Tunisia dismissed the health minister of Tunisia, but public anger refused means you can say that to deny, to subside. Subside means to reduce. But the decision of Prime Minister, what was the decision of Prime Minister? That he sacked the health minister. But still it couldn't, you can say that it couldn't pacify the anger of public. On July 25th, and July 25th is Tunisia's Republic Day, protests broke out, है ना? Broke out means also it started, you can say that it started growing, है ना, rapidly. Protests broke out, and the officers of the ruling party in Ennahda is the ruling party in Tunisia, stormed. Storm means when you enter a place forcefully, it is called storm. So a lot of people entered the office of a ruling party, and the name of ruling party is Ennahda. This allowed the president to sack the government, and finally the president of Tunisia took the decision to sack the government, to dismiss the government, to dissolve the parliament. President Sayyed says he stepped in. So President Sayyed says why he took such decision. He came, stepped in means he entered you can say that in this scene to save the state, to save Tunisia. But in a country where the wounds of decades long dictatorship, है ना, so in Tunisia there has been a long period of dictatorship, है ना, authoritarianism are yet to heal. So still, है ना, the wounds means you can say that injury, है ना, so you can say that Tunisia is still an injured country. Tunisia, and what is this injury? Injury is that Tunisia suffered from dictatorship, है ना, are yet to heal. So these injuries are yet to heal. Okay. His move to dissolve means to, you can say that the decision of suspension of parliament. His move to dissolve an elected government would raise concern, means worry. Raise means you can say that to elevate something, to lift up something. Raise concerns rather than means instead of comfort. So this decision will raise so many questions, है ना, instead of giving comfort. Both the president and parliament are popularly elected. So the people of Tunisia elect president and parliament with election. Mr. Mechichi had the backing of Ennahda. So Mr. Mechichi had the backing of Ennahda. Back means if someone backs you, it means that person supports you. So you can say that Mr. Mechichi had the support of Ennahda party, the largest party in the suspended parliament. So editorial says it is the largest party. Ennahda party is the largest party in the suspended parliament. President Sayyad, who is an independent, and President Sayyad is an independent, he doesn't belong to any party, has had a testy relationship. So his relationship has been testy. Testy means easily irritated. Testy relationship with Ennahda and the prime minister. So the relation of, you can say that the relation of Mr. Sayyad has not been good with Ennahda and the prime minister. While the Mechichi government has clearly failed in to tackle something means to handle something, the COVID-19 pandemic. Pandemic means a widespread disease, a global disease. So while the Mechichi government has clearly failed in tackling the COVID-19 pandemic, so Mechichi government couldn't handle coronavirus properly. The president's move to dissolve, and now the president's move to suspend parliament appears more a power grab. So now the president's move appears that he is trying to take hold of power than a genuine means real attempt to address, means to solve something, the country's problem. So the president's move doesn't seem that he is trying to solve the problems of country, but his move seems that he is trying to take the control of Tunisia. Ennahda and at least two other parties have accused Mr. Sayyad. When you accused someone, it means you blame that person. Ennahda and at least two other parties have accused Mr. Sayyad of orchestrating. Orchestrate means to, you can say that to make. Orchestrate means to engineer a coup. Coup means you can say that to change the government when military, or you can say that when with the help of military you take the hold of government completely overnight, it is called coup. Coup is taking the hold of power illegally with the help of military overnight, it is called coup. So Ennahda party as well as two other parties are blaming Mr. Sayyad that he is engineering a coup, that he is trying to take the power of Tunisia. If they resort to protest, resort means to take the help of something. If they resort to protest, if Ennahda party as well as two other parties tries to take the support of protestant. It means if they start protesting, it would pitch the parties. Pitch means to persuade someone to do something, to convince someone to do something. It would pitch the parties that control parliament against the president. So if Ennahda as well as other two parties protest against Mr. Sayyed, then they will also convince some other parties to come and protest Mr. Sayyed, to come and protest against Mr. Sayyed, deepening political instability. And what will be the result? The result will be that political instability. You can say that the Tunisia is already politically not stable, and this instability will increase. It will deepen. The 2014 constitution has called for a constitutional court to settle crises like these. Crisis, it is plural of crisis. So editorial says that in 2014 a constitution was made for Tunisia, and that constitution says, call for means that constitution says a constitutional court is to be set up, a constitutional court to settle crises like these. If such type of crisis happens, then these type of crises will be, you can say that, will be tackled by a constitutional court. But the problem is the court has not been formed yet. Still there is no such constitutional court has been formed in Tunisia. Under the constitution, the president oversee means to observe something, to closely monitor something. Under the constitution, the president oversees only the military and foreign affairs. So according to the constitution of Tunisia, the power of president is to observe military as well as foreign affairs, external affairs, while the prime minister is in charge of the day-to-day affairs of governance, and prime minister has been provided with responsibility of handling day-to-day affairs of governance. So to avoid a constitutional crisis, the president will have to means you need to do, will have to appoint a prime minister. So you can say that to avoid a constitutional crisis, the president needs to appoint a prime minister who should win the confidence of the assembly of the people's representative. So anyone who has the confidence of the assembly of people's representative should be, you can say that, should be appointed prime minister by the president. Mr. Sayyed should act within his constitutional limits. Editorial says that Mr. Sayyed should not violate the constitution of Tunisia, and he should not go beyond his limits. Recall parliament and allow the formation of a legitimate government. Legitimate means valid. So Mr. Sayyed should, you can say that Mr. Sayyed should recall parliament. Recall means to invite parliament and allow the formation of legitimate government. And Mr. Sayyed should say that anyone who has the, you can say that, who has the confidence of the assembly can make his government, so that legitimate government which could take steps, and legitimate government means valid government which could take steps to address, means to solve Tunisia's economic and healthcare voice means troubles. So a legitimate government must be formed in Tunisia, so that by that government steps might be taken to solve Tunisia's economic and healthcare problems.